Hello, my darlings. Kamanam Natasha Nyawuza. So yesterday in Bugile, something very disturbing. Neazmos La Choir that has been trending, that's doing very well. Le bizongoba Tanda group choir that is based in Cape Town. Leina ma ladies amaninzi, it's been doing so well and they've got great following on social media. They are loved. They are getting bookings left, right, and center. Our mugelis by travelisha all over the world befumana bookings, and even here in SA they are getting a lot of bookings. Busy man or girls. And you would think to yourself in the one but the way busy corner. They are making money, only to find out in the banba that's not the case. Abantwana babantu, they have been exploited in the most painful way ever. Mamela apakisana kutiwa. The two managers, the white guys, aba manager those ladies. La Mzansi mabefuna bookings, they charge 40,000 rands per performance, 45 minutes. And mind you, even though choir and our members are between 50 to 60, mabe bukwa abayibonke at the same time. Ingathi kuthiwa kuye 15 or less. And kuthiwa they get bookings, maybe 6 bookings a week. That's 250,000 rands. Do you know into banba kuthiwa bababhatala 400 rands each? Plus nama food parcels. Where is this money going? 250,000 rands. Where is it going? Patala 4. Let's say by 15 abayileyo bayo performer. 250,000. 400 rands. Like, it really does not make sense. There's a lot that they are doing. They buy my uniforms. They buy babathengela Tommy shoes. Uniform jena, it's a once-off thing. It's not something you buy with performance. Tommys, it's not something you buy every day. Guys, what do you think about that whole situation and the pain of the lead singer? Your managers charge 40,000 rands per performance while you are getting 400. Akukho even kwa transparency. They didn't even know ukuthi kuchajwa leyo mali. Obviously, I'm sure they were told ukuthi kuchajwa less to explain the 400 bayifumanayo. Yeah.
How much Tanda Choir charges per gig? Must I tell you?
Yeah, I can.
Per event, Luke and Julio charge 40,000 rand for a 45-minute performance for Tanda Choir. So after 6 gigs, it's 250,000 rand.
I don't know what to say. Actually, we don't know anything. We just go to restaurant to it's body.
For 400 rand.
And for parcel.
It's just been brought to my attention that account number is a different one than the Tanda Choir account. So what account is this money going into?
That's the Upnik Studios account.
What is this money used for then?
So that, I wasn't...
again, I don't want to share something that I'm not 100% sure about.
Yeah.
So again, I would like to also share the financials of the Upnik Studios.
In a week or in a month, you've got 5, 6, 8 gigs. That's around 200,000 rand we're talking about. So what are we spending the money on?
Like legal and accounting fees, but then also like uniform, Tommy, tackies, there's other expenses that we take.